Hello, my name is Katrina Griffiths with registration number 05DK19FN2008. So today my group member and I gonna present about siphon is zero appurtenance. What is siphon? Siphon is a long bent pipe which is used to transfer liquid from a reservoir at a higher elevation to lower elevation when the two reservoirs are separated by a hill or high level grounds. Also known as a section of a sewer at a lower elevation than the adjacent sewer, that is actually a depressed sewer or a sag pipe used to carry sewage below obstruction like ground depressions, stream, river, railway line, and more. The pipe flow of siphon are full under pressure greater than atmospheric pressure. As shown in figure 2, reservoir A and B are separated by the hill. In order to transfer liquid from A and B reservoir, they are connected by siphon. The highest point C is called summit. The flow through the siphon is only possible if the pressure at point S is below the atmospheric pressure. Therefore, pressure difference will cause the flow of liquid through siphon. As the point C is the highest of siphon called summit above the free surface of the water in the tank A, the pressure at C will be less than atmospheric pressure. Theoretically, the pressure at C may be dropped to negative 10.3 meter of water, but in actual practice, this pressure is only negative 7.6 meter of water, or 10.3 minus 7.6 equal to 2.7 meter of water absolutes. If the pressure at C becomes less than 2.7 meter of water absolute, then dissolved and other gases will come out from the water and collect at the summit, and the flow of water will be obstructed.
Hello, my name is Deborah Dujong Anablaja from DKA 4A. My registration number is 05DKA19F2130. What is siphon in sewer appurtenance? When a sewer line deep below the hydraulic gradient line, it is called an inverted siphon. An inverted siphon is a section of sewer which is constructed lower than the adjacent section to pass beneath a valley, river, stream, road, railway, and such other obstruction. It runs full greater than atmospheric pressure because the crown is depressed below the hydraulic grade line. An inverted siphon differs from a true siphon in this respect that whereas a true siphon flow full with the flow line above the hydraulic grade line and therefore under pressure less than atmospheric, an inverted siphon runs full with the flow line depressed below the hydraulic grade line and therefore under pressure above atmospheric. For this reason, inverted siphons are frequently referred to as depressed sewers. Application. First, to carry water from one reservoir to another reservoir separated by hill or ridge. Second, to take out the liquid from a tank which is not having any outlet. Third, to empty a channel not provided with any outlet slush.
Hello, my name is Sitila Hanabalkis Muhammad Raj and my metric number is 05DKL19F2112. Disadvantages of inverted siphon. The down gradient in the siphon pipe is not continuous and they are likely to get slit if not properly designed to maintain safe cleansing velocity at outflow. When once sealed, it is very difficult to remove the seat. Sometimes a change extending from inlet chamber to outlet chamber is provided to stir up the deposit sealed in the siphon. Then this will help to keep the silt in suspension if the interior chamber is not properly designed to floating matter contained in sewage will spread out and it will accumulate to the interior chamber. The working in clean chamber will then be seriously affected and it will result in the inefficient functioning of the inverted siphon. It is not possible to give side connection to the inverted siphon when the inverted siphon are built on or under riverbeds. It should be seen that they possess sufficient weight and encouraged to prevent their faulting when empty.
Hello madam, my name is Merming Anasuno and I would like to present about inverted siphon. So usually include two or more pipes of bigger than 200 millimeter diameter running parallel. For the first pipe carries dry weather minimum flow. For the second pipe carries the difference of dry weather minimum flow and dry weather maximum flow. For the third pipe carries the storm water flow. Large functions in storm water flow demand less than 3 pipe, which is minimum dry weather flow, maximum dry weather flow, and maximum weight for the design period are required for the design of inverted siphon. Siphon inlet, also known as a forebay, is designed for bringing the siphon pipes successfully into action. The forebay or inlet chamber with the same number of channels as the number of siphon pipe is used. The incoming sewer extends as a middle channel and feeds the siphon pipes, carrying the minimum dry weather flow. On one side, the middle channel has an overflow where at specified elevations for diverting the flow in excess of the minimum dry weather flow into the second channel. On the other side, the middle channel has another overflow channel where at another specified elevations for diverting the flow in excess of the maximum dry weather flow into the third channel. Outlet of the inverted siphon is arranged in such a way that the inverts of all the siphon pipes merge into a single channel. Outlet of the second pipe is maintained higher to the first pipe and so on to avoid eddies and accumulation solid. Grooves for stop planks are provided in the outlet chamber for facilitating closure of siphon pipes for cleaning. So that's all from me, and I would like to give it to next presenter. Bye.
The inlet and outlet cameras of the siphon should allow sufficient room for the access, enter, and maintenance. Ramps or, if not feasible, vertical access shafts are provided. Then bypass agreements are made to the inlet cameras. Then siphon pipes under river beds are screened by RCC of appropriate thickness to prevent floating when empty. Protected against the water currents and shifting bottom or channels. Outlet cameras is designed to prevent backflow of sewage. Then, inverted siphons are constructed of cast iron pipes or reinforced pressure pipes. That's all from my group. Thank you.